So kids, let us see the first lesson, plants around us. In this lesson we are going to see the topics, plants around us, types of plants, parts of a plant, green plants make their own food. So let us see the first topic, plants around us. Put your finger, we are reading. Plants are of many kinds. They are of different sizes and shapes. Plants can grow on land and in water. They can grow in cold as well as hot places. See, our earth is not same everywhere. Their landforms are different. Somewhere earth having plains, somewhere earth having mountains on it, somewhere we have deserts area, somewhere we have seas and oceans. So these are different landforms of our earth, but we can see the plants everywhere in all areas. They are of different shapes and sizes and they are of many kinds. See this? So many plants are everywhere on our earth. Though there are mountains, plains, deserts, seas, oceans, but these plants can be seen everywhere. They are of different sizes and shapes, and you can see many kinds of plants every. Now you have to turn on page number 8 and 9. Topic types of plants is given on this page. So students, let us see the topic types of plants. As we know, we can see so many plants in our surrounding, but these are not of same size, isn't it? Some are very much bigger in size, some are very small, their shapes is also different. So based on their shapes and sizes, these plants are divided in 5 types. These types are trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers. So based on their shapes, size and the type of stem also, these plants are divided in these 5 types. So let us see each type one by one. First type is trees. So trees, how can we identify trees? Trees has strong woody stems. Trees are big in size. The stems of trees are called as trunks. Examples of trees are banyan tree, mango tree, neem tree. Next type is herbs. How can we identify herb plants? Herbs are very small and weak plants. They have thin green and soft stems. They usually live for 3 to 4 months. It can be used as medicines or to add flavor to food. Examples are mint, coriander, spinach, rosemary, etc. Next type is shrubs. How can we identify shrubs? Shrubs are small to medium sized woody plants and may grow up to height of 5 to 6 meters only. They are smaller than trees. They have many thin brown and woody stems. Examples of shrubs are rose plant, tulsi plant, hibiscus plant. Next type is climbers. How can we identify climbers? Climbers are plants with big stems. They cannot stand straight and need support to grow. They must climb on other plants, sticks or walls to grow. Examples are pea, grapevine, money plant, bean. Next type is creepers. How can we identify creepers? Creepers are weak plants that mostly grow along the ground. They have weak stems and thin branches. They usually bear big fruits. Examples are pumpkin, watermelon, muskmelon, etc. So we have seen these 5 types of plants. complete this let's answer given on page number 9. Turn on next page, page number 10. Let us learn about parts of plant. A plant has many parts. Each part has a special use. Look at the different parts of the tomato plant given here. First part of a plant is flower. It is usually the most beautiful part of a plant. A flower later becomes a fruit. Seeds. It is a part of a plant from which a baby plant grows. It is present inside the fruit. Stem. It is the part of a plant that carries water and the food to all other parts. In most plants, stems also provide support. Leaf. It is the flat green part of a plant. Leaves make food for the plant. Fruit. It is the part of a plant that has seeds inside it. Root. The roots of a plant grow under the ground. Roots take in water and other things needed by the plant to make food. Photosynthesis. Green plants make their own food. Plants need air, water and sunlight to make their food. Plants can store their food in roots, stems, leaves and seeds. Let us see one video on photosynthesis.
Huh? Huh?
Ha ha ha.